These are so addictive and delicious. You will keep coming for more. Let me show you how to make it. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In a clean pan, add in 1 cup of almond nuts and 1 cup of cashew nuts. You can also use any nuts of choice. Transfer the pan onto a stove top and then you slightly roast the nuts on medium to low heat. You stir this regularly so it does not burn. The full list of ingredients will be in the description box below, kindly check it out. When the nuts are well roasted, take it off the heat and transfer it into a bowl, then you set it aside. I'm making a shout out to every one of you for supporting and watching all my videos. Thank you very much. Moving on, into the same pan, add in 1/3 cup of honey, 1/4 cup water, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili pepper, which is optional, and half teaspoon vanilla essence. Then you transfer it onto a stove top and bring it to a boil. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and join this amazing community, and don't forget to like and drop your comments. While the water is boiling, add 1 tablespoon of butter and stir very well. Allow it to boil until the water is completely dry. Then you add in your already roasted nuts mix into the honey syrup mixture. Then you give it a good mix until the nuts are fully coated. Do this on medium to low heat so that it doesn't burn. This is a very healthy snack that is delicious and easy to make. It is also very addictive and will make you keep coming for more. Take it off the heat and transfer it into a lined tray. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment and turn on the notification bell. Moving on, go ahead and spread out your honey roasted nuts on the tray and allow it to cool completely. Once it's completely cool, you will have something like this. Break it up and store it in a tight container. This doesn't last for long, so I would advise that you make a large batch of it because you keep coming for more. You can snack on this at any time, and you can also add it as a topping to your yogurt and cereal bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.